Hi, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your entire watch history on YouTube. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your YouTube app. Once you have opened up YouTube, go to the bottom right on you and click on history and then view all. From there you want to click on the top right on the three dots and then click on clear all watch history and then confirm. But that means that the YouTube watch history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. Clear watch history, click on watch history and then the history will be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issue, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out.